Hey, this is your Grandpa KC. I've got some urgent news for you. If you're an Adobe user or Facebook user, you need to listen to this to the very end. I am telling you, what I got to tell you is blowing my mind. I don't know whether you've heard this, but a lot of Adobe users are canceling their subscriptions to Adobe because of a change of terms of use in both Facebook and Adobe. I don't know if you know this, but what Adobe did is they changed the contract. And so did Facebook. Allows all of your pictures, all of your content, and everything else to be used by their AI, and changes who owns that content. So let's talk about that. You want to hear this now. The first thing I want to talk to you about is Adobe. Adobe changed their licensing, and a lot of people weren't aware of this. And this is a comment from Sasha. Yes, and I may be pronouncing her name wrong. But basically the new terms of use of their contract allows them to get a free royalty license to reproduce, display, and do whatever they want with the content that you have, and examine the content you produced on your hard drive. Are they insane? This is to be used with AI. Let me show you what we're talking about. Now, this is where it gets crazy. Of course, content, and they describe in their terms of use, content means any text, file, information, audio files, everything. And basically what they're saying is that everything that you created, they're going to change who owns that right. And this is in 4.2 in the user agreement. License to your content. Now, this is where they get tricky. Solely for the purpose of operating and improving services of software. That's to make you not realize how bad this is. You grant a non-exclusive worldwide royalty-free submissible license to use, reproduce, publicly display, distribute, modify, create derivative works based on publicly perform and translate the content. Basically, what they're saying in this is that you don't own your content anymore. That you're giving them a license to take anything that you've created, anything at all, and use it for their AI, basically replacing you, to be able to take your pictures, your things that you've created, and I don't know, there must be some legal ramifications to this, because some of the content that's created is created for government entities that are not supposed to be used anywhere else, and suddenly now Adobe can come in and use that content that's on your hard drives and look at it and decide if it's even licensable or whether you should be even making it. I mean, what happened here? First, Adobe makes it so that you only can get their software through subscriptions, and now they're going to take control of it. That's the first thing. And a lot of users are just canceling Adobe and say, listen, this is ridiculous. I work very hard to create my content, and my content, my artistry, and everything that I make is mine. But that's not the only company that's doing this. I'm going to show you that Facebook is also doing this, so that your content now can be used by their AI. And I'm going to show you what someone's doing. Essentially, I found this on Instagram. This is from Space 8. Check her out, her Instagram channel. Subscribe to it. She also does a great job of influence and content information. But she does a complete understanding of what is going on with Facebook, how they are now going to use your content through it using AI, and they have not asked for permission. They put it in their change terms of service, but unless you know about it and write about it, you can't change it. So check her out. After the video, I'm going to talk about what we need to do in the future.
On June 26, Instagram is changing their privacy policy, which allows them to use your posts and photos for their AI purposes. And I'm going to teach you the only way that you can stop them. You're going to go to your profile and click on those three lines on the top right-hand side. From there, you're going to scroll all the way down until you get to the About. And then you're going to click on that. Click on About. Then you're going to click on Privacy Policy. And here's the clincher, guys. And this is what makes America different. You're going to click on these three lines right there. And then you're going to click on Other Policies and Articles. When you click on that, you're going to see how Meta uses information for AI models and features. And here's where it's hidden. You're going to have to scroll all the way down, my friends, all the way down. Keep going, keep going. And then here, learn more and submit requests here. That's where you're going to submit the form.
So this is, AI is a great thing, but the abuses that the software companies are using with AI has got to be regulated. And you need to be aware of this with Adobe, with Facebook, and other companies. Who knows what your content will be. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give us a thank you. Click on the thank you. Help support the channel. Check out my merch. This is your Grandpa Casey out. You have a great day.